Skylip! Oh! Ang ganda naman nun!
Baller Esports.
From Davao Oriental, Limuel Tampus. From and also at forward, number 23, Airboom Tampo. And coaches Jesse Evangelio.
Here comes the dumper part. Uy, nabalik pa sa Davao Occidental. And first 2 points ng ating laro. 9-7 in favor of the Dreamers. Euro step move, well defended pero pasok pa rin. Uy, muntik na. Narbasa again. Ayaw talaga. Pero andun for the putback. Si Tampus. 64-23 in favor of the Davao. Dito, tama nyo pa rin ako si Lorenzo Galarosa and our Deputy Commissioner of the Pro League and the Project Head. Defender niya. Here comes a three-pointer from the corner. Missed pero an offensive rebound pero wala yung putback. Here comes basket. Here comes the Davao Occidental Dreamers rather. Oh! Sky-high layup. And a steal by the Davao Occidental Dreamers. Skylip! Oh! Ang ganda naman nun! Occidental Dreamers as we see itong layup ni Limuel Tampus. Grabe ala Kyrie Irving.
Grabe.
On this game today. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat Maris sa inyong report. At mintis doon yung jumper ni Alaw from the corner. Ito pull-up jumper naman! Pasok!
Kahit exhibition game lang, walang easy basket, walang easy points dito nakikita natin. Talagang bakbakan yung mga bata. Yan na naman, Tampo, 3 points na naman. So kita natin.
Game na ng under 21, no?
Kaya nga di ba? Luzon versus Mindanao. Kita nga? Mga Luzon players to galing Luzon, galing Manila. Itong dumper party selections against the Davao. Galing sa dumper party selection Coco Life. No?
Ooh. May putback doon. You. A dribble handoff from the top of the key. And a three-pointer by Payosing Mintis. Here comes Samonte. Samonte all alone. Oh! Good Euro step move. Maraming salamat Maris for that report as we see a jumper is missed there for the Davao Occidental Dreamers but they still get it back. Put back huli. Grabe yung depensa ng mga for game 3. Kaya mga ka-PSL na malapit lang dito, punta na dito sa University of Southeastern Philippines Gymnasium. Pero eto, Kiambao. Oh, no look pass niya na agaw. Sayang yun. Too fancy that time. Tama natin yun. At
Lista of dumper party list, Boss Tracker Lim. Happy watching sa inyong lahat dyan.
tama kung Caro mintis yung free throw ni Ion Angeles pero nakuha nila pero turnover yun. Here goes dumper party list. Kiambao, 3-pointer.
Wala!
Mintis na lang. And they will foul itong si Limuel Tampus. Kita mo si Prince Alaw telling Kevin Kiambao libre ako dito. Sayang yon for Kevin Kiambao.
Siyempre, kahit ako naman noon, open na ititira ko na talaga.
Ako yun nga yung Kevin Kiambao 3 points to fight another game. Will they force a rubber match? Pero eto muna tayo, free throws by Tampus. Makes the first and he makes it a 3-point lead with 2.7 seconds remaining in the game clock. May timeout pa rin dito ang dumper party list. So let's see if Tampus can get them a 2-possession ball game. And he does. Apat ang kalamangan dito. Dumper party list does not call a timeout. 2.7 seconds. Where will they go? Three-pointer. Oh, sayang yun para dito kay James Payosing. And that will do it dito sa ating Under-21 exhibition game.
Heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only